Welcome back. I hope you had an opportunity to view our first two videos on the structure strategy and using text structure to improve reading comprehension. Today's video covers the sequence and description text structures. Again, you can improve content area reading comprehension by applying text structure to strategically select and encode memory. Strategic memory is a powerful tool for all human activities, including reading, learning, problem solving, and day-to-day activities. The two text structures we are speaking of today are the sequence and description text structures. These two text structures are frequently used by students in their writing as well as in recalling information. The 4 steps to using the structure strategy, again, are: first, determine the text structure by finding the linking signaling words for the sequence text structure. Second, to write a main idea using the main idea pattern for the sequence text structure. Third, recalling information by using the main idea as a guide. Fourth, monitor comprehension by checking your main idea pattern to organize and ensure all sequenced items are noted. Linking signaling words used in the sequence text structure are first, second, next, last. You would have seen this in many of the essays that students write. The main idea pattern for the sequence text structure is: the first idea is, the second idea is, and you can add as many ideas as you like. Many history texts use the sequence text structure, and this text is titled Key Events in New York History. And I will not read the entire passage to you, but I will note that there are sequence linking words used in this passage. The linking words include history, first, later, and others you can find. The simple main idea is the history of New York in the 1500s and 1600s has 5 important events. The first Europeans to come to New York was Verrazano. The second thing that happened was the Dutch colonists founded New Netherland on the Hudson River. Then they founded a successful colony on Manhattan Island. After that, the English took control. Then New York was granted to James II. So you can see I've drawn a diagram that shows the sequence of events. And I haven't completed the diagram, but you can do so in order to understand how to apply the sequence text structure. Sequence is commonly used by children as a means to writing and also to memorize events. It is probably the most inefficient text structure organization for strategic memory and chunking. It is useful in describing activities such as cooking. A recipe has a sequence of events that must be followed to achieve a good outcome. Similarly, other human activities also require sequenced events that would need this type of text structure. The description text structure is typically used to describe events or activities and different components of an event or an activity. In this case, Japanese cuisine is described in this passage. In Japanese restaurants, servers bring out several small plates with a variety of dishes. Most of them are varieties of sushi. Sushi is Japan's best-known dish. It's basically pickled rice. Additional paragraphs give further descriptions about the sushi as well as how it's presented to the customer. Description is used to describe events, things, people, or events. It is useful in setting a scene or an activity. As stated earlier, both sequence and description are very frequently used in classroom activities by students and teachers alike, but they are probably the most inefficient ways to organize information in order to be able to be strategic in your reading comprehension, thinking, and problem solving. Stay tuned for more videos from our research group. The next video will cover some implementation information about using text structure in the classroom. Again, feel free to email me at k_Wijekumar at tamu.edu if you need further information about this or any of our other projects. Thank you.